one of the tools of the trade that is very important when you're a geocacher is your geomobile, your car. And I have had many cars that I've taken geocaching, but I've never like made one car just like the ultimate geocaching mobile. So last year I did get this car that I'm sitting in right now, which is a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. And I thought, you know what? I want to make this car just a little bit more, geocache-ish. So I've got a couple things that I'm gonna show you how I've made my car a little bit more geocaching vlogger-ish. And one thing though I realized I have to do is before I do any of this, I need to get my car washed, because one of the things I've got to put on my car needs to have a clean car. So the very first thing I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to go to the good old Mr. Car Wash. All right, now that I'm home, I have been sitting on this envelope for a while because this is something else I'm gonna put on my car that is gonna make it even more of a Geo-Car. This little envelope is from Scott Burks, who is from the Geocaching podcast. If you've never listened to that, listen to it. It is the only live geocaching call-in show. Just search the Geocaching podcast. And, okay, so I don't know if you've ever seen the Subaru badges of honor, but when you get a Subaru, you can get these little badges that show your interest, and then it shows you like which Subaru you got. So you can get your first Subaru, your second Subaru. My Subaru is my second Subaru, but then you get these little interest things behind it. And so check this out. There's a geocaching one. Check that out. It is the geocaching logo. It is 3D printed. That is pretty cool, and I'm gonna put that bad boy on my Subaru. All right, here it is. It puts it right there, and hopefully that will stick on. Yes, now I have second, hiking, camera, road trip, and now I've got the geocaching badge of honor. How cool is that? Another thing that recently came out, I use Cachly as my geocaching app, and Cachly recently just updated, so Cachly can now use CarPlay. So you can use CarPlay to go geocaching, which is really cool, but my car is too old that it didn't have CarPlay. So I went on Amazon, and for around $40, I bought my own portable CarPlay. So now my Geo-Car now has CarPlay, which now I can use Cachly for CarPlay in my vehicle as well. But also I did something very special. I gifted myself something to be the pièce de résistance of my Geo-Car, and that was to have a personalized Geocaching Vlogger license plate. And so it is now time for me to put those on to make my car the ultimate Geo-Car. The back is now complete. The GCV. We've got a trackable on the back. Feel free to discover. And we have the Subaru badges of excellence. My Geo-Car now is complete. I'm gonna go to breakfast with my friend Minnesota Boy. We're gonna go up north. I'm gonna go to a geocaching event, and then maybe I can find a geocache with my CarPlay, and it'll be the ultimate caching mobile. right, so for the very first time, I'm gonna use my CarPlay, my brand new CarPlay, to find a cache without even using my phone. And I got my CarPlay display right here. Here we go, let's find Cachly. Boom, Cachly. The map pulls up. Oh my gosh! There's a cache right there. Looks like it's called Cottontail. CarPlay, take me to the geocache. Take me to the geocache. Boom, boom, boom. It's wanting me to put my seatbelt on. Watch out, car. I'm right on top of it. Wait a minute. Who's that guy? All right, you can see I am right on top of it. Woo! All right, I see Minnesota boy.
Yes, Josh.
There you are.
Yeah, we're here.
I had my CarPlay take me right here, and look, it's Gravity Beard Bear. Oh. Gravity Beard, especially at this time of the year. All right.
Careful on the ice glacier here.
I know, right? All right, look at my car. It took me. Here's my car. Here's my Geo-Car. Check it out. The GCV. And this seems obvious. Do the honors. Let's get some real sound effects here.
Oh, here we go.
Thank you, CarPlay.
Geocache.
Thank you, CarPlay by Cachly.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you have a pen?
I do have a pen.
Yes.
Can we get the log sheet out of this bottle?
This is called Cottontail. Is the logbook just a piece of cotton?
It is not. It is not just a piece of cotton. It is a piece of paper.
It's cold today, right, Gravity Beard?
It is cold
Very
today.
cold on the hands.
Is your beard keeping you warm?
It's windy. Wow, it's too short right now.
Too short, okay.
It's very cold on the hands.
Here we go. This is my very first cache found with my CarPlay. It was worth it. Put the GCV.
The GCV.
Yeah, because that's what my license plate now says. Woo! All right.
Wow.
Found a geocache in my new and improved geomobile, featuring the GCV and featuring my Subaru badge of honor. The geocaching badge of honor. All right. Thanks for coming along on this venture. Thanks for checking out my new geomobile. Thanks for going to breakfast with me.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next video, probably in a warmer place, right?
Yes, warmer. Much, much warmer.
Please ignore how messy my garage is. It is winter. That's a spring project.